There's a nice new feature in the Fitness app on iPhone that will let you add workouts that you've completed but haven't logged using the Apple Watch. Which means that if you've been for a swim or you went out for a jog and your watch battery had died, you can then go and manually add that workout afterwards to still fill up your ring and to earn the credit for that workout. I'll tap onto the workout tab at the bottom, and then I'm going to press the new icon in the top corner. That's the one with a pen or a piece of paper. This will bring up the new Add Workout screen, and from here we can choose what workout we're adding. I'm going to add a swim, so I'm going to scroll through this list, and you can see as I do there are dozens and dozens of different workout types that we can add. All ones from the watch, in fact. Now I'm going to find swimming, and I'll select that workout type here. Next up, we can set the details of that workout, the duration, the amount of lengths you've done, all those sort of things specific to the workout you've just chosen. And so I'm going to just fine-tune the length there that I swam and also the time I was in the pool for, so 25 minutes, that's perfect. We can also go back and change the date of the workout, so you can add things you did last week or this morning, whenever you need to, you can go back and change that time. Finally, we can add the effort as well. On the watch, it works out automatically if it's being worn, but obviously it wasn't being worn for this workout, but I can manually add it here if I wanted to. Then when I press the tick in the corner, it'll be added to the Fitness app just like any other workout. And I can tap onto it to see all the details I've just logged. And what's actually quite cool here, which I hadn't realised, is that I've added this for the last 25 minutes and I've been wearing my watch, and you can see it's found the heart rate on my watch that links to that time period. Obviously I wasn't actually swimming for this, I wasn't wearing the watch, so the results aren't quite accurate. But if you wanted to go back and add a workout when you were wearing the watch, this is quite handy. And there are tons of things your iPhone can do that unless you know they're there, you may never find. So please check out my channel down below. I'll see you next time.